I beg our people, more na still take am easy. Una wan keep person. We never talk of Koro own. Una don still bring out say Hanta. Hey, now say which one come be Hanta virus again? Now say I go check am. But more na don keep person no. You come dey bring another matter for inside this kind serious one wey dey ground. My greet una first. How una dey, everybody? Na me una sister, so I know Bibi, una friend, una girl. I welcome una to Breather Concept. For this channel, we dey talk many things. So who don't know about us, may go check one of our video about us. You go know everything we suppose know about this channel. So I come say I talk about this Hanta wey don dey work everywhere. This Hanta don dey since 1993. People wey come from Nigeria, I don't know whether other African countries they know this virus. So e don tey wey e dey. E be like Lassa fever. Rat, then they call am rodent. Rat, mouse, all those kind animals. Now their excrete, urine, all those things. If you come in contact to them, then you contact them, or you pull mat, the rat pull mat for your food, you can't eat them. Now you dey contact that kind sickness, or it bites you, you contact them, or the feces dry in toilet where you pass dry, you can't inhale them. Now there, person dey get that kind sickness. It just be like Lassa fever. I know say it dey dangerous, right? It still dey kill. But when person get am, you not fit carry am. You not be like this Koro own way. We say if person get am, you near the person get am, you go get am. No, Hanta will not be like that. So make them just take am easy. The way they just they bring out the thing now. Say keep person. The name Hanta virus come from China. You get one place for China, one of their area like that, big village, where they call Hanta. Then you really get this rat problem where we're for there. Now there the sickness they say for come. The thing to prevent this one now, may you make sure say your house they clean. May you make sure say they not come your house. May you they keep them, they clean your house always. Make and they neat. They not be say get where you don't pass feces or urine or something. You just come dey there. You now go use and touch and they pass nose or something like that. They just they share the thing. Like some another one way big pass Koro don't still come again, come the attack. Let's see suffer they share. Now wait time still talk. Who still hear something? May still go check how it be. And they say he keep person recently. Lassa fever don't they kill. Malaria self they kill person. So may they see no say you get other things where they only say they never see the one will be like this one now, this Koro issue. Now make can be like say na virus never entered this world before. Others they come. HIV don't come. Gonorrhea don't come. Syphilis don't come. Different type don't come. This Lassa don't come. Since 1993, now this Hanta virus day. It can't be saying now where people they think of Koro own. Now the one come they shout and again they join for the matter. It be like where person go come and now come they shout say malaria don't keep person no. Malaria now they rain again no. I'll be like that. I beg, make person face one. No the one way they on the share things where they make person mind they fly. Everybody stay clean and all. Now so no sickness will not the key. Sickness not good to the person body. So no one will not the key. More than go watch that movie where I talk about My Secret Terrorist. One video where I do about a Netflix movie. You will see waiting they explain for that place. You know how this Koro own be. Because the matter, we don't know. But by God's grace, everything go dey okay. You know go reach our side, you know reach people we know side. But I will still talk about the Koro own. We dey careful. No say we think say if we don't spray sanitizer for hand, matter don finish. If we spray and finish, we still wash everything, wear mask. Make we dey remember say phone wey we carry comot, we go still spray and put, not be only hand. We go just, as you open door finish, you still spray the sanitizer, put for the door handle. You on light when you take enter house, still spray, put for that switch. Money sef wey dem dey give, that's why we still need to wear hand glove, dey collect money. If na to still spray sanitizer, put for the money, we still spray put. All these things wey we dey overlook, na the things still take dey spread. If we come back from supermarket, things wey we buy, we fit still spray sanitizer, put on top, because you no know who don first touch am. You no know who don first touch am before we come take am. Sometimes you fit carry something finish, you look am, you say no, not be this thing you want, you keep am. You take another one, or you take another thing. So you still spray the items wey you buy come, but not be the one wey say you buy fresh meat, or you open the meat finish, come dey spray put inside the meat. I not talk that one. So now those things wey dem seal, now I say make you spray on top, because you know say our people sometimes get as some the reason. You can't go open fresh meat wey you buy now, you can't go spray sanitizer put inside. You say na breeder concept, now you say make dem spray put inside. I not talk that one. And you get one other thing again where they say make people put lime for inside water, come put baking soda for inside. That one na poison. I beg, anybody not do one, may not just drink that kind of thing. That one na acid. If lemon you want drink, press for inside warm water, drink. Lemon and baking soda, I beg, more than not just try am. Make person intestine not go cut, say e dey fight koro. E never reach like that, I beg. Lemon, press put inside warm water. Water wey still warm, not be say hot one wey go burn your throat. You still use am, drink am, take clear your throat. That one dey okay. Anything wey concern baking soda, I remember those days they use am dey whiten teeth. Some people still dey use am. Something wey fit make brown teeth go turn white. You no know wetin you go do inside your body. I beg, more than not just go there. So anything wey person still send for na still go check. Another one, you get people wey still dey do wayo for internet now. All the name of koro wey dey ground, they will come dey send you some kind link. Say make you press. Maybe if you press, you could get the latest information. Before you press any link, before you click am, may you still dey sure. And if they can't say put your information, even if you click and save, they can't they ask for information, your information. Dey sure first, because many things they happen now. Some people they take the koro as advantage to take see mugu wey go fall. So I understand, not be everything I'll fit mention for here. So when I see use brain, understand wetin I mean. So not be the mugu wey go fall. Just when we still use our brain, they do things. Not be all message wey we see. They say government want help or this or that. Suffer put your information, because you know they know finish. You still call, ask person. You get who you hear we don't still do the thing we succeed before you self do. And so you just reach. So I say more na stay where more information go dey come. So more na still remove mind more for that hunter. Say it don't tell where it dey and you know reach our side. Once house don't dey clean, all those ones not be problem. So you are blessed. And more na not forget to subscribe for our channel. Now we Breeder Concept. You always bring the ogbonge news for now. More na they enjoy on yourself. More na they dance, so they do exercise. They eat better food. Healthy food. Now it go make our immune system still strong. Take care. Have a nice day. One love.